Good morning. We had a Fastpass for Dinosaur at 8:25 a.m. It's like noon. Noon 30? Ha, it's almost 1.
Noon 45.
Comment down below if you think we're not gonna make it in.
Yeah.
Hey buddy. A tree of life. Yeah.
Hello there.
Getting a little spicy.
Oh.
Having a hang off.
Oh, hello. Look at those. That's you. That was definitely you.
That's how I get around. Here we go. Let's see your moves.
Yeah. Oh, no. You got some nice arms.
Oh, he's a
Heck
king.
yeah, you're the king of the jungle. That's you, Anthony.
Oh, where's he gonna go? He's gonna perch up there.
He's gonna jump into the water. I'm kidding.
Cannonball.
Is it cool if I work on my cannonballs? This guy looks really happy. And he's like, you know, fetal position rocking back and forth. Kevin, hello. We're following Kevin. Sorry.
Upside down tree because its branches look like roots sticking up into the sky. It's spotted hyena. They have a jaw closing pressure strong enough to just crush the bones of their prey.
Bye, giraffe. That was fun. There's another one up there. Hey buddy, what's your name? My name's Teri. Num Num Fun? Bye, Elefante. Hey buddy, what's up? That was surprising.
Yeah, they were in the road.
Sit on the rock?
I see him.
Lions are the only big cats.
It was right here where that rhino was on those rocks. Oh my.
Ready? Sivako.
Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. Of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches.
Why do I not realize how beautiful it is? Oh, video. Are we not the cutest?
We're not the cutest. We're pretty cute.
We are the cutest. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Which way does it go? Strap in the front or strap in the back?
I don't know. For getting up late and then getting the park at like 1 o'clock, we did a lot. And I'm very happy.
Yeah.
So
made the most of it, huh?
We made the most of it, you're right. So thank you for watching. I will see you real soon.
Merge onto I-4 West.